So we would need 2 cups of flour. I'm using gluten-free flour, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and let's combine all those dry ingredients together. Now I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of baking powder and 1 packet of instant yeast. So that is equivalent to 2 1/4 teaspoons of yeast. In this recipe I had used a 1/4 cup of crisco, but you can use a 1/4 cup of butter. As a matter of fact, if I have to make this again, I would use butter instead of crisco. So I'm just crumbling the crisco into the flour. Now I'm going to add the ripe bananas and combine everything nicely. So now I'm going to add the 2 eggs. I had beat the eggs beforehand, as you can see. Just add the eggs to everything, combine it together. So I'm adding milk as needed. I did pour out a 1/2 cup of milk, but I would slowly add the milk as needed. So you know what they say, you can always add, but you can't take away. So just slowly add your liquid. Well, in this case I'm using milk, until you get the consistency where everything can hold together. And now I'm putting the banana bread dough into my baking pan, and of course, as you can see, to make it easy for it to come out, I put parchment paper and then I put the dough in. So we're now going to head over to the oven and we're going to bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 40 minutes. Alright, and there you have it. Our gluten-free banana bread is now completed. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification, and give the video the thumbs up. See you in my next video. Bye for now.